little
so
orchid.
cute. Oh,
Hey.
baila.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are Fangirls Reacts. Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Koa.
And I'm Kai.
In Orchids, we are back with Nona with HONK. I'm so stoked because this is going to be part of their full-length album that I've already pre-saved on my Spotify. So I'm excited that we are getting new music, but also an album. So can't wait for that. But we'll be covering the music video and the dance practice for y'all. So this is Nona with HONK.
Yes.
Here we go. Where's my other ear? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Hey.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Oh.
Look at her.
Oh.
Pics in the rearview mirror. Put 'em
Oh.
up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we did
Okay,
it
Kiki
up.
challenge.
Hey, Christy.
Yeah.
Sexy, never pass me, ready, set, go.
Oh.
Hey.
Well, they always slay their outfits. Hello.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
Beep, beep.
Cute.
Oh. That I
on the
will get
what?
in any bus.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Are we getting plushies?
Got the junk in the trunk, and we
It's a
made
little
so cute.
orchid.
Oh.
Make it bounce.
Hey.
Baila.
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Oh, this is my type of music video.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, that top. Oh. Ooh. Hey.
Yes.
Ah.
Esther.
Yes. Ooh.
Oh.
Get on the on cart. Is that what it says?
Oh, I wonder if it's these
Encore.
little buses.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
of course.
Oh, look.
Of course.
Again, yes, cartwheels. Ah.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Hey.
This is gonna go hard
Yes.
live.
They're getting ready for Head in the Clouds.
Yeah, they're getting ready for a head in the clouds. Ooh.
Oh, her makeup was so pretty.
Bro. They always eat, dude. Oh my god.
Loved
And the
it.
confidence that they always bring.
Oh, bro. There is no like questioning bone in their body. They know they got it. Like
Right.
In my next
Right.
life, I want to be Baila. I want to
right.
be a Nona.
Right.
You said
Yeah, you want to be part of Nona.
Yeah. I'm so jealous of Christina because she gets to go see them. You fucking bitch. I hate her.
You know, to think that if we left early to Head in the Clouds and we stayed that entire week, we could have also gone to Antiem for LA.
Yeah,
Meet
for
and
LA.
greet.
Whatever.
Right. It's okay. It's okay. We'll see Nona again
I know.
one
Christina gets to see
day.
them this weekend.
Yeah.
I'm
Whatever.
so stoked.
Whatever.
I can't now. I did check. I can't bring my DJI, so I can't vlog it. For the restrictions from it, but I will try and record as much as I can from my phone.
Yeah,
But I
just bring
can't
a
take I
bring a
can't take any
charger,
professional
girl.
camera. Yeah,
You can't bring a
Yes.
any
charger.
professional cameras.
Can you bring a charger, like a portable charger?
Yeah. Portable charger. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and you get to witness.
Yeah, I
their
can't even
vocals
bring a
live.
selfie stick, dude. I can't even.
Girl,
I have to
girl,
do
she's
this.
so short.
I know. She'll be like, pick me up.
She'll be like,
Like, hi, excuse
did
me.
you see? Can you see over? I think I'm getting her.
Be like,
We
Can I-
see
can
we
I
see
get on your
half of
shoulders?
somebody's shoulder, half of the stage.
Right.
Oh, our short
Uh,
queen.
Mhm.
Oh,
oh
like
my God.
I'm gonna get big FOMO. I'm not gonna see. I'm not gonna watch any of your vlogs. I don't want
You're
to see
like,
it.
I ain't watching that one.
It's gonna
No.
piss me
She'll be
off.
like,
Bye.
whatever.
All right.
I don't want to hear
Oh
So
my God,
nothing.
Nona, this
no.
is a request from Fangirls Reacts since we love you. Like we need a US tour, like an actual one. Come to
Hmm.
Dallas, please.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
exactly.
Honk
And then
honk. Hello, honk honk.
and then
Uh-huh.
if we get like Nona, then we could do like more international groups, and then we have like an international like convention.
Festival.
Right,
Mm-hmm.
like bring SB19. We got T-pop. We got like iPop. Like bring all of
Yes.
the pops into this. Like, come on, Nona, open the doors. Open the
And
doors. Get in the
I need that
bag.
plushie. I need that plushie,
Yes.
please.
Yes, the
ASAP.
Oh,
plushie.
girl,
There
I
is
my
another
bag is
festival
already
going on.
full.
I've been looking for this album to see when it's gonna drop because I'm trying to see if I can get it.
Oh, I think we should be able to because they're with 88 Rising or whatever it's called.
But there's no actual like
Physical.
Oh,
physical.
physical
There's no
album.
thing saying if there's gonna be a physical one though.
Mm,
Hopefully,
maybe they'll release it sooner to
let me
drop.
see. No official website. Let me see. Oh, tour. What's this?
Let's see.
LA. Oh, Head in the Clouds.
Yeah,
That's the
Oh,
tour.
yeah,
okay. Okay.
right.
Releases.
So the release is
Um,
September 18th. So girl, we got a while until this thing
mhm.
releases.
I need physical porfies. Yeah, September 18. Yeah, it's 15 tracks and it'll have work. It'll have rollerblade. Oh, rollerblade part two.
Oh,
Oh,
I think they did say
oh.
that in the video though too, right?
All right. So now it is the dance video for Honk. Right? Was it the dance video?
Period.
Or dance
Yes, the dance
practice?
video.
Because okay. I think I said dance practice earlier. All right. Oh, sorry. Let me do the countdown. Three, two, one. Got excited.
Oh, I like how
That's
they got the
how we
honk.
set that.
Yes. Oh,
Look at me, look
ah,
at her. Pics in the rear
Hey,
view mirror. Put 'em up, posted. Buckle up,
Ugh, these outfits.
we in the
yes. Ah,
backseat, hit the gas, we take
Hey.
it
get a
up.
Chaz.
Get in
Ah,
the
I like
taxi,
Shaz
pass me
outfits.
basic.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get on the uncut.
Hey,
Oh, Chaz has that 88 shirt too.
yeah.
They represent
Hey,
label.
hey. Oh, yeah.
Get on the
Woo,
The
girls.
knees.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Got that junk in the trunk and we
Yeah.
make it bounce.
Yeah.
Hey, hey,
hey,
hey, hey, hey,
My
hey.
head in your face and I always got my way. But without
Yeah.
grace and I make a speak break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight.
No, we'll try straight. Yeah.
On your license plate.
oh, hey.
Pop.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby,
I love this part.
Esther.
Ah.
The knees.
I've been working all day, all day, all day, all
Hey,
night.
hey, hey.
Ooh, the lineup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get on the uncut.
I want to be on that
Come on.
bus.
Hey.
Just
got in the
casually in
background.
the yeah. Oh, I couldn't be still. I'd be dancing. Oh my god, is that guy covered in silver?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
probably one of those like people that stop on
Yeah,
Active
the
statue.
statue. Yeah, the statue.
Hey.
We need a light stick, orchids.
I know.
Hey.
Yeah,
Hey,
come
hey,
on.
hey, hey.
Hey.
Fuck you. All right, next destination.
Be like, okay.
All right, get back on. Oh, there's two of them.
Yes. Over
What?
here.
Are they doing an Indonesian tour?
Oh,
Is
Oh,
their tour
is that what this
bus
bus
for
is for?
Indonesia?
no, no sé, but they do have a tab on their website for tours. Only Head in the Clouds is in there right now, but
Right.
I better see
Is there a
Dallas.
tour request? Like,
do we
Right.
have a request
Hello?
tab?
Poe submits 1,000
Yeah.
alone. He's like, yep, it's
Texas,
me.
please.
Texas,
Yeah.
me. Please.
They're
From all the
expecting
emails,
they're
the
expecting
fangirls email.
1,000 people to show up. No, it's just me. That's fine. Start the show. I'll be 1,000 people.
Yes. Oh no,
Oh,
I'm so excited to hear that live
and it's
Yes.
such a
album.
new
Like,
sound. I like how
Whatever.
yes.
Whatever.
they fit in the honk into the music
hmm
Dun,
in the
It
background.
reminds me a lot of not the rhythm at all, but like the concept of the that song that came out a long time ago that we like to party. We like to party and it has the honking sound.
Oh,
New York to
Oh
San Francisco.
yes.
yeah. Dun, 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 dun,
Dun,
dun, dun.
Yeah.
dun, dun, dun,
Oh,
dun.
oh,
We like to
oh, I
party.
literally just
We
was
we
watching
like to party.
I was just watching a YouTube video about them too, because they were talking about like the first time that they ever had that interaction. I was
The
literally,
Venga Boys. The
yes,
The
Venga
the
Venga
Boys,
Venga
Boys,
yeah.
Boys.
yes.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, dude. I used to
Yeah.
so that was my mom's song and I grew up listening to it.
Right.
So that was like I was like 3 and 4. I'm like
Yeah.
jamming to it.
We like to party. We,
And
The Venga
yeah.
Boys is
it
coming
isn't
and
a
we're gonna jump in New York to
yeah.
San Francisco. Yeah.
Yeah.
It isn't
1998.
Nona video without them doing a split, a flip,
Right.
Yes.
something.
The
Right.
fucking backflip thing that Christy does. Yeah, no, my
Yeah.
back could never.
Yeah.
And then Chaz freaking knee like slide, bro.
The rotation, like
Yeah,
one
the
of those
rotation was dope.
hip
My knees could
hoppers,
never.
girl,
I'd
girl.
be trying to get up.
Yeah, you'd
Who
be
was
like,
to be a gymnastics, right? It was gymnastics. It was
Um,
Christy, I think.
yeah, probably because she'd be doing the
That's a
crazy
surprise.
stuff.
Shaz did like that little back bend. I thought it was gonna be Christy, but okay, Shaz.
Mm.
They're all versatile.
hmm Let's see. Does
Versatile.
she? Let's versatile. Um, because
Dun,
she's the youngest,
dun, we
right?
like the dun, 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 dun.
Mm.
Huh, huh.
Oh, now my stomach being like, girl. Uh, oh, she used to play basketball too,
Oh,
Chaz.
okay. Okay,
Okay, well, I mean,
Shaz.
she is a little taller than all the girls, right? I think she's the tallest one.
she
Yeah,
kind
she
of,
looks like she's 5'10" or something.
Yeah,
yeah.
Taller
she's
than
the
me,
baby
yo.
too.
Yeah.
I did really. I thought I had to go back because I thought that originally that with the Nona, like how each member kind of posed, I thought they
Mhm.
spelt Nona with their legs, and I thought that that's what happened.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm.
I mean, you can kind of see it if you like really kind of look for it, but like it wasn't. But I thought that that would have been
Mm-hmm.
cool if like that was something that they did.
Yeah,
Girl,
But
yeah.
they ain't that bendy.
girl, you could, you could figure something out, like something.
One and a O.
So Christy
I
used to
could,
do
yeah, you
ballet
could.
and Latin dance.
Because you can like bend down and
That's
drop
why
it.
Oh,
she.
Christy. Okay.
That's why they can tra 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 too.
That
Nice.
right.
Chill,
Yeah.
chill.
I think that
Reggaeton.
this is kind of like I love good just random songs, like obviously like we
Yeah.
were talking about with the other song, like it's one of those songs that like there's no real purpose to it except for I'm a party my and throw some ass. Like that's what this feels like. Like
Yeah.
it's just, hey, let's go, let's get it. Like we are Nona, like and we're here, and
Mm-hmm.
everybody just like everybody just join,
But it
Yeah.
sounds like this song is meant to kick off like maybe an Indonesian tour, like
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
they're on the it looks like a tour bus, and then it's like
Mm-hmm.
honk honk bitches, we're here, we're about to
Yeah.
slay the stage,
It's like
like type shit.
it's like
Yeah.
Mean Girls. Get in the car, ho. We going shopping.
Yeah, get in the cargo, we going on tour.
Right. Get on the bus. We're going on tour.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Man.
Christy was a dance coach for people who wanted to learn rhythmic gymnastics and ballet.
Oh,
Of course.
and of
That explains
course.
that.
She definitely has the back for it because she be bending always.
So they were already good at what they were doing before they joined
Yeah,
this
Right.
group.
yeah.
Got it.
I
And
mean,
if
yeah. I was looking at it. I was like, it definitely says like get on the Hong Kong. So it's like, yeah, get on the bus, hose. Like, let's go. We're going on tour.
on tour, guys. Love it. Oh my God. I'm excited. So you'll probably see pics
Okay.
and clips of
Whatever. Whatever.
of my head in the
Whatever.
I know.
clouds, you know.
We didn't ask.
I'm gonna bombard that and then they're gonna
Yeah,
put me on silent, on mute for the
we're gonna
day.
block the group chat.
I'd be like, I'm gonna block her right now. Anyways, we're gonna go.
and, and we're gonna be two for the next week.
But Orcas,
uh,
I'm excited to see Nona. And of course, if you guys see me there, feel free to say hi. But we can't wait for this new album, Island Girl. So we shall be reacting to it and any other videos that they would like to give us for any of these tracks. So look forward to that, and
yes.
we will catch you guys on the flippity flip. Oh, of course, if you guys want to request some exclusive like other videos that do get blocked on the tube, feel free to check out our Patreon. We do have a request form for those. And then, of course, if you would like to hang out with us after this reaction, please feel free to join our Discord, and maybe we might be able to create an Orchid chat channel. So that way we can all partake in freaking out about these girls.
Yes.
Yes.
So catch you guys on the flippity flip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next Nona reaction. Bye.
Bye.